While the soldering iron is heating up, wet the sponge. Before using the soldering iron for the first time, clean it using the small tip cleaning pot. Make sure your soldering iron arm is flat on the desk and the pot is on the desk. Hold it slightly at an angle. While soldering a joint, turn the circuit board around until you are comfortable with its position. Use the soldering iron to do this and not your other hand. After soldering, wipe the tip of the soldering iron in the sponge. Place the tip of the soldering iron so that it covers half of the pad, with the flat facing to the side. Wait about 5 seconds before adding solder. For safety, make sure you hold the solder a good distance from the heat to avoid burning your fingers. Remove the solder before the soldering iron to avoid the solder sticking to the joint. Finally, snip the leg.